Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with two essentials: admin rights and saved files. Open Start, type Display Settings, and press Enter to land in System Display. Focus on the top controls. These determine scale and resolution. You should note the current resolution and scale, write them down or take a photo so you can revert if needed. Once done, scroll to the Scale and Layout section. This is where the most impactful changes live, so proceed carefully. Now you adjust the two main controls: scale and resolution. Set scale to 100% or the recommended value. Custom percentages often misalign UI elements. Next, pick the recommended resolution from the resolution drop-down and accept the preview when prompted. If text or icons look blurry, open Advanced Display Settings and set the correct refresh rate for your monitor. Make sure to apply each change. To finish, reset any GPU-specific overrides. Open Graphics Settings, select your app or desktop, and reset preferences to default. If the display still looks off, revert to the values you noted or run a system restore to a prior point. This undoes driver or setting conflicts. Restart your PC to ensure drivers reload. If the screen stays blank or flickers, double-check cables and monitor input. Sometimes a loose HDMI or wrong input is the actual culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.